Hello, welcome back to Python programming language MCQ question answer series. In this video, we will talk about operators. So let's start. Here is our first question. Which of the following is an assignment operator in Python? Here is our option A, option B, option C, option D, and the correct answer will be option D. This operator is an assignment operator in Python programming language. So now I'll see the next question. Question number 2. What is the output after the following statement? You can see here we have two variables x and y, and the value of x is 6, which is integer, value of y is 3, which is integer, and this one is divide operator, and we are dividing x by upon y, and you have to tell the output of the following statements. Here is our option A 2.0, option B 2, option C 18.0, option D will be 18. The correct answer here will be option A. Division operators allow you to divide two numbers and return a quotient, and the quotient returned by this operator is always a float number, no matter if two numbers are integer. So that is why the correct answer will be option A. Now I'll go to the next question. Which one of these is floor division? Option A, this is option B, option C, and option D. The correct answer will be option B here. This operator is also known as floor division operator. Floor division operator used to return closest integer value which is less than or equal to a specified expression or a value, and remember that if any number is negative, then the output will be float. Correct answer will be option B. Now I'll go to the next question. What will be the output after the following statement? Here you can see that we have a variable x and y. The value of x is 5 and value of y is 4, and now we are using x modulus y. This is the modulus operator. If we will use this will return the remainder after the division. Here is our option. Option A 4.0, option B 20, option C 1.0, and option D is 1. Here the correct answer will be option D, because modulus returns the remainder when the first operand is divided by the second. So here is our 4, here is our 5 and 4. If I'll do this, the remainder will be 1. So that is why the correct answer will be option D. Question number 5. What is the correct operator for power, that is x to the power y? Option A here is this one, option B, option C, and option D. The correct answer will be option B. And the Python operator use double star for power operator x to the power y. If the value of x is 2 and value of y is 3, then the output will be 8, that is 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. So in this video, I have just completed 5 MCQ questions from operator chapter. In the next video, we will see more questions from this chapter. So till then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.